Aha.
Sierra, you slept here all night. Oh my God, you have school. Come on, let's go. Oh my God, Sierra, I was so worried about you. Come on, honey, what are you doing? Watch your head, watch your head. Here, I'll help you.
Did you have any homework?
No, I did. I done math homework and I did it in class.
You did? So there's no homework? Smile. You're on candid camera. You still have all night to sleep. It's only nighttime. It's only 8 o'clock. We let you sleep there for a couple hours. You couldn't help it. Sorry. We wanted to pull a funny on you. We knew you needed sleep. Go follow her.
Smile! Hey! She locked me out. Hey! I still see you. She locked me out.
Oh, I have keys.
Wasabi!
I have keys.
She let me in.